Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin, Global Account Manager from Lenovo. Back again, I got another unboxing video. Today, it's a really interesting device for those of you who have been following my videos. You know that I got a pre-production version of this VoIP 360 camera before. I got the real version of it now, so I'm going to do the unboxing video. I'll link to the interactive version that I did a couple months ago so you guys can see that, but for today we're actually going to unbox it. So it's officially called the Lenovo VoIP or VoIP 360 camera speaker. So let's start unboxing it. We'll talk about some of its features. So here we go. Came to me wrapped in this plastic to do the full unboxing experience. I left it in the plastic, so we'll start taking it out. I don't know if it's going to ship like this or come from that in the store, but I left it on there. Okay, so here it is. Square box, a sense of what it's going to look like. Really nice packaging, actually. Makes it look really professional. My sense is they're probably going to put this in a retail store. That's why they do this good packaging. Let's go ahead, open it up. We'll talk a little bit about it. So what this is a speaker and a 360 camera in one. There it is. Take this off, looks good. There's the device itself. Looks great. So the camera's going to be on top. It's going to get a 360 view of the whole room, and it's also going to have a speaker built into it. Let's take a look at the rest of the packaging. Okay, really nice. What this is going to be great for is travel. So anytime you're in a conference room, you're going to be able to use this. Okay, it comes with a USB-C cable along with a USB 3 dongle and some materials. And then also, since it is for travel, it's going to have a case. You're going to be able to travel with it. So if you guys are like me, oops, hopefully it's durable. That's funny. That'll be a good test. If you guys are like me, you travel all the time. I keep a conference call. I do Skype all the time. I always use this. But the thing is, when you're in a conference room and you're using Skype, that works great. But a lot of times you have to join a customer meeting, and maybe they're on BlueJean. Maybe, let's look at some of the other ones that are supported here. Amazon Chime, Cisco WebEx, Cisco Jabber, Google Hangouts, Zoom, BlueJean, Skype for Business, Teams. It's currently there's not a conference room device that's going to support all those type of meetings. So what is going to support it is your laptop. So the solution for this is you can keep it on your desk in your office. Anytime you join a meeting, it's the speaker. If you want to turn the camera on and there's people around in the room, everybody in the room will be visible if you want. It's got privacy built into it, so you can turn the camera off when needed. And it's going to be a great travel device that supports all those different solutions. So you can easily package it, put it in your bag, and take it with you. So let's go ahead. We'll power it on here as I talk a little bit more about it. So it does have security built into it, and you'll see that when you do, if you look at my other video. So let's plug this into this laptop. Power this up. We'll plug this USB-C cable in here. We'll plug this in. We'll use the USB-C since this X1 Yoga has it built in. Plug it in. Hit enter to log in. It should auto configure. We'll see what comes up here, and we'll see if we can get a quick view of what this camera is going to look like. Again, this is an unboxing. I didn't get a chance to test it. You're all joining me in this journey of getting this thing configured. So let's just try to bring up camera app. See if it works like that out of the box. Maybe we can get a sense of at least what the 360 looks like. So that's using the front-facing camera. See if it can switch to the other camera. That's video. This is switch. Okay, hey, great. So we're on the VoIP. So that was pretty simple. As you can see, it's got lights on it to say that it's working. You can see all three angles. You can push the buttons on the side here to change how the views. If you can see that, so that's the 360 view and all in one view. Here, I really like this view with all four, so you can see all four sides of the camera. So here I am joining the conference room, but then here I am over here in the conference room, so you can see the whole thing. So gives you a good sense. It's got the volume buttons on here, call, hang up, all built right into the device. Really simple, easy to use. You even get to see my cameraman in the photo. So that's it. I think you got a good sense of how it's going to work. It's $215 currently on the Lenovo website. It's shipping now. Take a look at it. I'll put a link in the comments section. So that's it. Quick update on the Lenovo VoIP 360 camera speaker. So thanks for joining, everybody. We'll talk to you all next time. Bye.